Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sudhendra Vuturi, Chief of Lifestyle and Rehabilitation at KIMS Hospital, Secunderabad. Today, of those people who are recovering from COVID-19 pandemic, it is important to reduce anxiety and also to improve your lung capacity. Now these can be achieved by simple techniques of relaxation, which will be demonstrated by my colleague Dr. Sumant Panam.
Hi everyone, my name is Sumant, Rehabilitation Therapist, KIMS Hospital, Secunderabad. Today I am here to demonstrate relaxation positions in sitting, standing and in lying position. Relaxation technique in sitting position. Place a table in front of you and take 2 pillows or 3 pillows according to your height, which is appropriate. Place it on the table. Stretch your hands. Then place your head on the pillow. Then relax it for 15 to 20 minutes. Relaxation position in standing. Stand against the wall by placing your foot one step forward, then relaxing your shoulders, then lean forward. Maintain this position till your breathlessness settles. Relaxation position in prone lying. After lying into the prone, ask the patient to turn your face aside and make sure the patient is breathing till the end of the lung base. And in some people who are having difficulty with tummy, ask them to shift the pillow under the chest and stretch your hands so that there will be sufficient space to breathe. And in some people who are having difficulty to lie in this position, ask them to lie on the side lying and place a pillow in between the knees. Maintain the position for 30 minutes. These relaxation positions will not only help you to reduce anxiety, but also it helps you to breathe easily. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.